Hi Nathan, so this is your custom built portal. So it's the Aurora portal design in the sunrise box. So it's a little bit different as all the boxes are. So it's been built to specification. So we've got on and off on this side. So I've had a little bit of volume. You'll see that that powers the box on and off. And then on this side, we've got the actual Aurora itself. So the different modes can be toggled by just tapping this screw head. So in some instances, again, you can try and get spirits to interact with that and trying to change the modes if you please. So we'll leave the Aurora going and then we'll come on to the box itself. So we've got the volume on this side, then we've got reverb in the middle, and when the reverb's added, it merges all of the snippets into one stream of audio because we're trying to get sentences to form. So the box has been preset to that sweep rate. So the box is actually reverse sweeping through 87.8 to 108 megahertz, and it's sweeping through the stored channels. So this is a scan and store box. A lot of people have started to copy this design off us now because it gives nice crystal clear results. So this is the important button, this is the scan and store button. So we'll come to that when we get to the back of the box. So on the back of the box, you'll see we've got batteries to the right. We've got 4 AAAs that power the actual box and the radio. And then you've got 4 AAAs which power the Aurora. So at the back, you can probably just see there's an antenna. In the Midlands, if you use the scan and store button, so if we press and hold this blue button, you'll see that the display will start to circle. So if we hold that down, let it go now, the box will start to scan from 87 through to 108 megahertz, and it will be storing the channels, the strong channels along the way. So hoping to get about 15 to 20 channels. I'm sat within about 1.5 meters of the window at the moment, so that allowed that to get that many. If you're deep inside a building or in a basement, you're obviously going to get fewer, so you best to tune the box in outdoors first, but then you'll get a lot more white noise in your sweep. So just coming through to the 100 mark, so we're at roughly halfway, and you'll see the signal strength indicator on the left hand side. Right, so you'll see we've got 16 channels there, which it will start to repeat. What you can do if you're in the Scottish Highlands, I'm not too sure of your address at the moment, but or any remote places in the UK, get yourself a crop clip and some 1.5mm copper cable, roughly about 2 meters, and then simple trick is that you can just clip that on the end of the antenna on the top of the box, extend the cable, and then if we do the scan and store again, so that's just circling, let it go, and we'll see what results we get now. So I think it got to about 8 or 9, halfway up the 100 mark. You can can see already we're getting the same number. So the snippets of audio, they will play a bit longer whilst it's scanning and storing. It will stop on each channel for about a second whilst it stores it, but when it starts to repeat them back, the snippets will be obviously a lot shorter.
Listening to this. To your sweet sanctuary.
So you see that's well exceeded the 20 mark already, 25. We'll probably end up nearer 30.
You don't want me to react. On the way,
Alright, so that's got 34 channels. So what you can do now, you can either leave the antenna in place, the extended antenna, or you can remove it, and it'll probably, the really weak channels will just be replaced by a little bit of white noise, but it'll still continue to pick some of them up. So the final touches we need to do to your box is to, we'll put Velcro fastening on the back, and then the back of the box will obviously then stick in place. You've got the usual decals, you've got the Infrared website logo on the side, then you've got the Infra portal, the Ghost Box logos, all accommodated in the vintage bush shell. And we can power the box off, and we can power the Aurora off too.